excellent your name. In all the earth your glory stretch across the heavens. Even the children's lips sing your praise.
When I look upon the heavens, the work of your hand, moon and stars you set firm in a them stand. What is man that you're mindful so? Son of man that you care and know. You make him just a little lower than the angel eye. Crown him with glory and arena the sky. You give him rule over the works of your hand. All sheep and oxen, creatures of the land. Oh Jah, how excellent your name. To all the earth your glory proclaim. From highest sky to ocean deep, your watching eyes on us you keep. Fish of the sea, all that swimming at the paths you decree. From the babe's mouth praise rise up strong. Silence the foe, make them can't do wrong. From the sunrise blaze to the evening calm, you hold the world in your mighty palm. In a mist and at your wondrous plan, still you look with love upon mortal man. Oh Jah, how excellent your name. To all the earth your glory proclaim. From highest sky to ocean deep, your watching eyes on us you keep.